Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the background of images, the background color of images in photos in Microsoft Designer. For instance, if you don't like the background and you would like to change the color of it, you can do this here in Microsoft Designer. So let us get started. What you need to do, guys, in the image editor is click into edit in the top left, expand it here from the left hand side, and then guys you will see the color under background here. Click into it, that pug here, click into it, and after that you may pick one of these colors. I assume white is selected as default, but you can use the color picker here or one of these colors at the bottom, this one, that one, and so on and so forth. That's how it works, guys. As you can see, the objects in the foreground, the color of the objects in the foreground have not been changed, so it's only about the background. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.